How to hide posts on Instagram without deleting it. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can hide your Instagram posts without deleting them. Now, if you open up the app here and head over to your profile by tapping on the profile on the bottom corner of your screen. And here if you scroll down, you'll be able to see all the posts, your reels here. Now how you can hide them. Now, if you open and tap on the three dot option that you can find on the post, here you'll get the option to turn off commenting, to archive, to hide like count, edit, pin to your profile, post to other apps, or delete. Now you can always delete if you want, but if you don't want to delete it but hide it from others and your profile, then what you can do is tap on the archive option that you can see on the screen. Now once you tap on it, you can see that the post will disappear. It won't be shown on your profile, neither on the timeline of your friends, and it will be gone. So this way you can hide your posts from your friends or from your profile by simply tapping on archive or by keeping the post on archive. Now how you can get it back? If you tap on the three line icon that you can find on the top right corner of your screen, and here you'll find the option archive, and you can find your stories archive, and if you go to post archive, you'll find the post here. Now tap on the three dots again on the post, and here you can tap on show on profile if you want to get it back and show. Now once you tap show reel on profile, you can see it will show up on your profile again. Now if you scroll back and go back and do this, your post will be back on the profile. So this way you can hide your post on Instagram without deleting it. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.